Are you looking to sell products through TikTok? Maybe you're interested in finding a new way to make your brand go viral. Let's talk about TikTok and why you should make it your main focus to grow brand awareness. Social media is always evolving, from the growth of social commerce to the sensational boom of TikTok content taking center stage in the social media world. With the recent shift, we find ourselves asking, how can I use TikTok for my business? In 2017, TikTok only had an annual user base of 65 million users. Fast forward to 2022, and we find ourselves with over 1 billion monthly active users. It wasn't clear at first how brands would use TikTok for their business. Initially, the main content revolved around young people dancing and lip-syncing in short videos. That quickly changed. Now we're seeing TikTok experiment with longer video options. But why did it grow so fast? TikTok brings videos to its users through the For You page. The TikTok software learns from every tap, pause, and swipe you make. The more you interact with it, the more it learns about what you want to watch. The ability to bring the right content to the right audience is a powerful tool for any brand or business to work with. Hello, I'm Michael from Printful. In this video, we'll be talking about the tools and resources for you to use in your TikTok marketing strategy. This will help you effectively gain brand awareness so that you can bring more customers to your online store and grow your business. We'll talk about how to find video ideas, set up social links, collaborate with influencers, start advertising, and find resources to help you succeed. We've also invited Nico as a guest expert to share their experience and tips with you. With Printful, we print, package, and ship out orders to your customers. That gives you the time to focus on one of the key areas to help your business grow: marketing. If you would like to take an intro approach, check out this video to learn more about getting started with using TikTok for e-commerce marketing. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now let's dive into developing a strategy for TikTok. Type of content. The first thing you want to do is figure out what type of videos you want to create. Think about what you'll show and talk about. The best way to figure that out is to study the content other people and businesses make. You can take inspiration from any brand on TikTok, but it helps to learn from your close competitors. Before you start looking for inspiration on the For You page, let's check out TikTok's Business Creator Hub. It'll be a great place to start exploring TikTok videos from brands. Make sure your account is set to the business profile mode. Once you're ready, click on the menu tab in the top right corner. At the bottom of your app window, you'll see the options here. Click on Business Suite, then click Business Creative Hub. On this page, you'll see a few different sections. Let's check out Trending Business. Here, you'll see the examples of trending videos that other brands are posting. Let's take a look together. Once you find a video that you find inspirational for the content you want to make, you can save it to your favorites so you never lose it. Click the share arrow here. On the lower section, click Add to Favorites. An option will briefly show up to manage your favorites, but you can always access them through your profile with the bookmark button here. You'll be able to manage and rewatch your saved favorites. When creating content, find ideas that work for other brands. Pay attention to the number of views, likes, and comments that their video has. It's important that you build on top of a trend rather than directly copying it. Give your take on a trend by adding a unique twist to it. We asked Nico what's the most important thing anyone should know when starting out on TikTok, and if there's any formulas for going viral. Here's what he had to share.
The most important thing that I think someone should know when they're starting on TikTok for the very first time is that TikTok is a place to get scrappy. It's a place to get creative. The reason for that is because a non-polished video that maybe took you 10 to 15 minutes to produce sometimes does way better and outperforms a video that might have taken you 2 to 3 weeks and you might have hired some video production company to create for you. Don't be afraid to be experimental. Create content until you feel like you found a style that resonates with your target audience. There's no exact formula to creating a viral video. However, there are a few things to consider if you want your video to go viral. The first thing is simplicity. Viral videos tend to be simple more than they are complex. The second thing is universal. Viral videos tend to appeal to many people on different levels, so try to make your videos relatable. The next thing is reactive. Viral videos tend to evoke some sort of feeling or reaction in the viewer, so make them laugh, make them feel something. Make your videos reactive.
Thank you so much, Nico. We appreciate the tips you've shared with us today. Next up, let's talk about setting up links for your call to action. The main goal you want to focus on for your TikTok account is to keep people watching your videos. The idea is that the longer you keep users engaged, the more likely you'll have the TikTok algorithm working for you and bringing you new potential customers. When it comes to selling on TikTok, allow your audience to enjoy your content first. Then their curiosity to learn more about your brand will encourage them to check out your website. It's important not to hard sell your products to your audience, but instead focus on a subtle approach. Here, they can come across that cool shirt that you were wearing in your video. But how do you get your audience to your website without hard selling them. The best and most common way to get customers to your shop is by using a social link page. You can add the link to your profile here. You can customize a page to have all of your other social media accounts and your online store. To add a link, click on the Edit Profile button and find the website section. Type your social link page or website link. Once you click Save, go back to your profile and check it out. If you use a social media page like Beacon's AI, you can track analytics and gauge how effective your call to action is. Here's an example of how a Beacon social link page looks like. Up next, let's talk about how you can collaborate with influencers. Creator Marketplace for brands. TikTok has created a space that allows a business or brand to connect with large influencers to collaborate on creating content at their set rates. To put it simply, you can find creators with lots of followers and pay them to make ad videos for your brand. You can agree on the content that they'll make and the compensation. The Creator Marketplace is not just a place for any random TikToker. For a creator to join, they have to be invited to apply. These are creators that typically have over 100,000 followers, high view counts, and high engagement in their content. As a brand, you can sign up for an account or use your TikTok Ad Manager account to sign in on this website here, creatormarketplace.tiktok.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Keep in mind that you'll have to verify your legal business and tax information before you can start working with creators. You'll see a section at the top of your account to do it here, and you'll be prompted to set it up if you try to interact with any creators. Once you get verified, you'll be able to search for creators and filter by country, amount of followers, average views, and engagement rate. Next, let's talk about TikTok ads. Ad Manager and Creative Center. Like many other social media platforms, TikTok offers advertising. You can sign up for an Ads Manager account here, ads.tiktok.com. I'll leave a link to the sign up page in the description below. You can create ad campaigns and use videos you make yourself or the ones you order from an influencer through the Creator Marketplace. Aside from creating ad campaigns, you can access the Creative Center. Under Assets in the top menu, click Creatives. Then under Shortcuts, click Creative Center. The Creative Center is a great place to get new ideas with an organized look at trends, top performing ads, and insights. Let's see how we can find TikTok videos related to our niche. Under the Inspiration tab, you'll have access to Trend Discovery, Top Ads, and Showcases. Let's check out Trend Discovery. You can find trends by songs, hashtags, and TikTok videos. Under the Hashtag section, you can filter by industry type to find related hashtags. And click See Details to see how often the hashtag is used. Once you find a hashtag that works with your brand and content, you can click See Videos here to analyze how brands put their content together. Find videos that you see working for your brand. Read through the comments for the videos with high engagement rates. Take notes on what they show, what they talk about, and how it's presented in the video. TikTok loves a good story. Share how your brand started and how it's going so far. Are you finding success or facing challenges? No matter how you're doing, people love transparency and will be more supportive if you share authentic stories. The Top Ads section is great to plan and create effective ad videos. Here you can watch ads that were created and used in a campaign by other brands. When you click on an ad video, you can see specific metrics and even see what part of the video leads to the most engagement. Another section for you to take a look at is the Insights tab from your top menu. The Creative Insights section shares statistics on posting tips, so you can follow these guidelines to help increase impressions and conversions. There's a section for e-commerce, and you can even sign up to receive updates when they release new statistics. With the Creative Center, you can create and edit videos from scratch or from pre-made templates. Under Tools in the top menu, you can access the video editor to edit TikTok videos from your computer. There's also video templates for ads that you can customize with your own product images. The last thing for you to check out is the audio library. It offers sounds that are cleared for commercial use that you can use on your TikTok videos and ads. You can filter by specific theme, genre, mood, and length to help find the perfect sound for your content. I hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments if you decide to start making TikTok videos. And if you're already using TikTok, share any tips that you might have down below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to get notifications whenever we post new videos. See you next time.